Hi guys, I am Abid. I'm 10 years old. I am in class 4 in Airport High School. Today we're going to learn how to make a paper aeroplane. Let's start. First, we need to get the middle line. So we have to fold this corner to this corner. So let's do it. So let's fold it, and we should do it by nail so it is deep and it is visible. So let's do it. And you should make sure that this page and this page is always good. Then you should do it by nails, but I made it that way. Then we have to open it, and there is the middle line. So we have this corner and this line. So we made this corner touch the middle line. So let's make it, and we got it. Do the same thing on the other side. Let's do it. So there we go, and done. Now we got this triangle thingy. We have to fold it back, and you should make sure that there is a line still visible here. So that line should match up with this line. So let's match up. Work. Okay, now we need to do the same thing as before. Find the middle line again. And do it by nails, but I did it by hand. Then do this. Same thing on the other side. So the other side, then fold it over, and we got a sharp point. That was the main thing. You should always make a sharp point so it will fly very easily and perfectly. Then we have to fold it like this, and we have to do the same thing on the other side. Let's do it. And this is the final thing you have to do to make a paper aeroplane. So if you've got a paper aeroplane, you can decorate it. It always flies. So we learned how to make a paper plane. So bye bye.